Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Still on the Bbnaija reunion, day 14, updates on Omashola and Jackye's fight and why Messi rejected Moet's endorsement. Yesterday's episode, albeit a continuation of Monday's episode, shifted attention to the viral moment about housemate affairs that engulfed the social media. Ebuka opined that sometimes people had the thought that rivalry and beef was needed to grow and fuel one's fan base and brand. He mentioned celebrities you go on endangering beefs themselves in order to become more popular and the rest. Messi countered that she considered it unhealthy as on the long run will make one's life a living hell, since the person would be continuously enmeshed in controversies. Using herself as an example, she was of the opinion that controversies were a disservice to her, which is it messes her up, since she knew her worth. She mentioned cautioning her fans to focus only on her than running about fomenting trouble. For her, she doesn't need to fight anybody to get deals or to be relevant. If a brand doesn't like you, they won't like to partner with you, even if that person should visit a babalawo for charms. She equally mentioned being dragged every day by her haters. There was a short break after which Ebuka brought up the scuffle between Jackye and Omashola. Jackye, who joined after the short break, broke into a long, dry laughter with the question was thrown at her. Explaining what happened, Jackye said she responded to a tweet that was more of a personal attack on her person. She felt Omashola was like a brother to her, wanted to join others to get back at her because of her assiduity. According to her, they always like attacking intelligent and hardworking Jackye, the Jackye that was always busy. What really happened was that Omashola had casually tweeted, "Sometimes you need to spoil yourself to be, no be every time you go dey work like Jackye." Note the difference between Jackye, donkey and Jackye. Jackye felt it was a direct attack on her, since Omashola had coincidentally told her to find time off work and veg out. To make matters worse, Omashola's fans were trolling her for 2 hours non-stop, and she really expected Omashola to clear the air, but he didn't. The mistake she made was not calling Omashola before retweeting that Omashola was a 40-year-old with no wealth and that he couldn't make 5% of profit she posted on a project in that February alone. Hell was let loose as Omashola went berserk, hurling invectives on Jackye in their housemate WhatsApp group. They later hugged and reconciled at an event a fortnight later. Omashola on his part swore that he didn't have Jackye in mind while making that tweet. Even if he had Jackye in mind, it was actually a compliment to acknowledge someone's diligence. He said he was infuriated at Jackye's tweet, which made him to curse Jackye out on WhatsApp. However, they had reconciled and are cool. Next was Thelma's fan buying her a car. Ebuka mentioned that he was still confused whether Thelma's fans really bought her a new ride then. Thelma clarified that she had attended a meet and greet with her fans, which was tagged along a brand that wanted to sign her. After everything, she was given the car as a gift alongside her endorsement deal. Since her fans were around, they snapped the car and posted online. The whole thing went viral that it was her fans that gave her the car, since she went for Thelma meet and greet. Even when she clarified on Instagram the next day that the car was given to her by Corvedo, the brand that signed her, the news kept on trending that her fans bought her the Benz. The most painful aspect of the case was the insult that came along with the whole case. People insinuated that her fans were impecunious, as such could not afford a car. She wondered why people like feeding on negativity. Responding to Thelma, Avala jokingly prayed that her own fans should even get her a car. Even when Ebuka asked her what she thought of fans gifting their favorite cars and other luxury items, just for them to do the fans' bidding, Avala jokingly said she had no clue about that. The show was wrapped up with Mercy explaining on why she wasn't signed by Moet. Thatcher was just casting doubtful glances and smiles as Mercy explained. According to Mercy, everything had gone on well with Moet, who first contacted her for work. In fact, she was actually paid, but the problem was with the signing. They assured her that they would get back to her before everything was endorsed on paper. However, things went haywire when a hater fan with her watermouth went and asked Moet on Instagram whether they really signed Mercy. That was where everything spoiled. Moet denied not knowing Mercy, which was carried around blogs in the country. She felt humiliated and had to speak with her lawyer, who advised her to lay hands off the endorsement and return the money paid to her until the brand apologized. She did as advised and returned the money, since the brand failed to clear the air. Ebuka signed off by admonishing viewers to be responsible for the posts and comments they make, since whatever they post is a reflection of whom they are. Yeah, guys, what do you think about Jackye and Omashola's fight and their reconciliation, and also Thelma's fans gifting her a car, and Mercy's endorsement deal with Moet, and all that was discussed last night? Let me know what you think and what you feel in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to Naija News and Entertainment, and also click on the bell icon to receive notification when a new story drops.